Alright, so we're here to show the demonstration of an installation of our ImmoTrack Go GPS tracker on pretty much any vehicle. In this example we have a 2012 Ford Focus, and here's our tracker. All we have to do is connect it to power. It absolutely will work underneath your bonnet. It does not have to be mounted under the dashboard, but for example you could stick it to the underside of something plastic like the scuttle plate here to give you a better signal if you were worried about it. So all we need to do is find a positive and a ground. Now on this particular vehicle the positive is easy to get to, but the battery ground is way back there. But these are also handy grounds because they connect to the chassis, so all we have to do is use those. So let's start with a 10mm socket on this particular car, just to loosen these, give ourselves a little bit of space. Let's take our positive wire and let's slip that underneath and tighten that up. We're done there. Now let's choose one of our negative wires. Make sure it's loose enough that we can get underneath it. Yep, that'll work. Just get under there. Yep. A little bit looser. And we're in. Make sure that's nice and tight, not too tight. We're not trying to like put together a rocket here. That's it. You can see that's already flashing. And all we have to do is basically tuck our wires away somewhere where they'll be out of the way. So let's just make sure we can get this to fit. So we see there's a little bit of a divot here on this cover, which fits over there somewhere. So let's just move these cables to the right hand side, tuck them in nicely. Again, this is 12 volts, so there's no risk of any leakage. Job done. There we go, rapid install of our GPS tracker ImmoTrack Go on pretty much any vehicle.